Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, so there with another one. So the Salt Spring artist, yeah, Squash. I made people them know say, yeah, me know, I love alone. And him never have the time, or never go in himself, or link a man, or orchestrate any form of violence towards any individual. Then, so as a producer, him a make you know straight say, a straight positive energies him a deal with, and him not deal with the negativity. You know what I mean? Yeah, see the artist a certain way, you hear the artist sing certain songs and them type of something there. So the artist forward and I clear the ear and I make the individual them know. So listen, in the industry man do the music and this our work for the eye. You see me and say the songs my sound away about and them lifestyle and I say him a live and a that him a do and that type of energy them him a portray. You see me and say and I influence the youth them for do within his community or even across the world or the youth them will listen to your music, you see me and say. So Squash, the Salt Spring artist, I make you know straight. Say I love alone.
Me and a violence producer in Winford. I love alone, I preach to all of the youth them. Salt Spring at my place. You see me? I love every youth. I love everybody just the same. You see me? I'm gonna preach violence. The youth them can tell you. Me and them grew up in a community. I'm never tell a man say go shoot a man this, go shoot a man this. I'm not that type of person Winford. I'm a jovial person. I love happiness. I don't like bad vibes.
Well, so far me have a bad singer. She can sing like what cold bomb type of singing. Cold bomb type of singing she did. Like you see like when I watch America Got Talent. Yeah, me have one of them people there. I have one of them daughters that we can really sing and you understand, even me more time to sing because they swell up certain way.
Yeah, people, so them say bird of a feather flock together, you know. I'm not talk about bad company. So, this is Gyptian. Zin, I make a know straightforward say, him have offsprings, son and daughter, where, you know, him have to guide them the right way, influence them the right way as a father figure. I make them know, say, listen to me, the music industry, yeah, nice and everything, but if you're not gonna enter the music industry, you have to enter it the right way. So, him a make walk and talk know, say, listen, my son did want try the whole DJ vibes and thing, and it never work for him. So I make him know, say, yeah, what, put on that. That is me and say, this is the voice of Egyptian I make you know straight. So being a parent, you have to be a guardian also. So you guard your youth, you see me and say, safe keep your youth mental state. You see me and make sure say your youth you feel like say you want bad parents because you tell them say, yeah what, don't do that or because them have a passion for something. You see me and say, I remember them father is also an artist. So an artist telling their child say, hey, don't do music, might look biased. But being a good father figure, you're supposed to can create clarity for the child. So the child understand where you're coming from. You know, just say don't do music because you don't want the child to do music. Zin, and him also have a daughter we have the AGT potential. And when I say AGT, enough people know me I talk about. You must say, yo, when film daughter sing, you know what I mean? And I'm a little sing in a bathroom sing. Me I talk about the AGT sing. You know what me I talk about? Yeah. Them people me I talk about goosebumps and big applaud and them type of something there. Zin. So you can look forward. You can look forward. You know what I mean? Cause him speak highly about her in such a way where there's a passion. And him see wherein it will work for her. Yeah, Aurora Star from Cross one place over one part. Just a share positive energies and I make the people them know say yeah, positivity is the energy. Positivity is the way. And then I don't know from dancehall reggae vibes. Yeah, positive energy is the way. And if you haven't subscribed to your channel yet, yeah, it would be nice. As the man said, just click the subscription. Boom. You know what I mean? Touch the notification bell. So when time we are do the thing, exclusive, yeah. You know what I go on. You see me and say, a whole heap of video I drop and a whole heap of sitting I go on, you know. So remember, be positive, stay positive.
What matters way less than you thought it would?
What matters less, I feel like opinions and people's perception of you doesn't. Trust me, people are living their lives. Everybody's busy. People are hungry. Okay, like stop caring and stop thinking about what people think about you. People are hungry. People are tired. Life is hard. Just do you. Sometimes you're there, you're overthinking. You're like, oh, what does this person think about me? Or did I da 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 da? And them, they're just like, am I gonna like, what's gonna happen today? Like, am I gonna make it home? There's a lot happening in the world, and if you spend your time thinking about like what people think about you, you're just gonna waste time.
Yeah, people, so right now, yeah, the most highly anticipated concert in the whole world. That me have to say right now. Adija Palmer, the world boss. The comet is coming. Watch you know. Freedom Street ticket them ready, you know, people. Zin, the Freedom Street ticket them ready. And you can get them at El Paso, Mobile, yeah, down at Montego Bay. Fontana, Montego Bay. Fontana, Ochi. Fontana, Barbican. You know, right up there, so. You see me and say, Fontana, Waterloo Road. Right round there, so. Zin, so you don't know, go and grab them from now. Fontana, Portmore have them too. You see me and say, Fontana and a Galdeville, Mandeville, my people. Yeah. And Fontana and a Savannah Lamar. So, go and grab your Freedom Street ticket them, because you don't know. DRV have beer vibes a year, my talk.
We go back in our history, look at time travel, right? Vibes Kartel, Mavado, Clash.
I want to tell you, say how that song the power about us, me I tell you, you have to spontaneous in our music.
Right.
Because when we leave, it's the over jam world, you know. You have people that say, Kartel kill Mavado. And you have people that say, Mavado kill Kartel.
Right.
So, right, the saying was say, everybody have their own opinion and it never did concrete.
Right.
So remember, you know, Big Yard and Cassava Piece, they right across the road from one another. They're basically side and side. They know man into the road. Smart.
Alright. This name Time Travel. Zine. So a little chat writer, so Forward Magazine. You see me I say all of vibes with Vibes Kartel and him speak on the historical track Last Man Standing. And if everybody can remember, that clash they did ironic. I want to say ironic. It come with us an epic type of energy about it. I want to say ironic, you don't know. The battlefield never level. You see me I say, after the whole thing, you see me I say, it never level. People I say, yo, I'm Mavado take it. People I say, a Kartel take it. I know how clash go. Jamaica this. One person have to take it. So, a DJ Palmer, I make you know, say, listen, this a piece of history. I mean, I make my fans them know what go on. Cause when him left Jam World, him a make you know straightforward say, I know bad thing, artist life. So a straight a Big Yard. I know Big Yard they cross the road from Cassava Piece, so you don't know the thing go. Over Cassava Piece I make be nice, over Big Yard I make be nice, cause you don't know the word them forward in. And you know it's a battlefield. So who get scared and come in and survive and but Kartel never did comfortable. Yeah, him never comfortable. So right away I say here we go on now. The last man standing, you know. So I must stand out different, separate and apart. So I'm link up, whom to link up with him make. You see me and say, not nice forward in, I don't know, vice get take. And by the time in my yard, for reach a fame yard. Zin, a radio play. You hear me I tell you? So, people remember, you know, you hear it right as a first. You know what I mean? Dancehall reggae vibes, our world. Kartel, world boss, the teacher. Man get a piece of history. Man I give a piece of history with me. Hey.
It was a historical moment as well.
Right.
Maybe I wanted that to get after Freedom Street.
Well, Kingston are the capital and cultural heart of Jamaica. You can find the Bob Marley Museum if you learn about the reggae legend. The city full of vibrant music, art and food scene. Plus, you have the Blue Mountain close by, perfect for hike and get some famous Blue Mountain coffee.
Wow, thank you so much, ChatGPT. Definitely going to be chatting with you in Patois more often.
Me glad you love it. Me there anytime you're ready for chat. Feel free to drop in anytime you want reason in a patois.
So them say seeing is believing, and if me never did hear. Alright, let me repeat that again. Them say seeing is believing, and if me never did hear for myself. Cause me I tell you, I hear you have to hear this. Yeah, listen right as I know. This is the advance. This is the advance chat advance voice mode. Then I don't know for your phone you have Siri, you have all of them type of voice activated type of thing the way you can ask questions and them reason with you and you know what I mean? But the chat GPT advanced voice mode stand out separate and apart from all of the above. So right now I hit the above. Cause everybody else could have chat French. Yes, French. Could have chat French, Italy, Spanish, every other, you know what I mean? Yeah, language. But I would have say excluded Patois. Yeah, you hear correctly, Patois. I mean, I elaborate on this. Because the chat GPT advanced voice mode can chat Patois people. When you reason with the AI, Patois. Raw Patois. You know what I mean? Patois people. Yeah, it's a different type of technological world, cyber era we live in. Then, so, them say, seeing is believing, but you have to hear this.
Hey Joel, I'm here and ready to chat. What's on your mind today?
Whoa, that's really cool. I'm excited to test out voice mode.
Awesome, I'm excited too. How's the voice mode experience for you so far?
It's going good, but it would be really even cooler if you could talk in Jamaican patois.
No problem, me brother. Me can chat you in a patois all day long. What you want for reason about?
Whoa, that's really good. Which part of Jamaica are you from?
Me not actually from Jamaica, but me love the culture and the language.
Whoa, you sure you're not from here?
Me swear, me day fi help and chat with you in any way me can. If you have anything you want to talk about or ask, me ready.